So you been feeling pretty good?
Yep. You see how
Did you work yesterday?
I haven't worked since Sunday.
Okay, well that's good.
This, I think, is my pillow. I think I need to get a new pillow. I think I realized that this morning.
Yeah.
It was like real flat.
Good. Yeah.
I can hear it.
All right. Let's check here.
Okay.
Get there first. Okay. A lot better that way. Let's come down to the back. Like a scapula. Okay, good. And I want to see. Let me see here. Turn your head this way.
Which way? This way?
Mm-hmm. Exactly here. Good. That's the center. Okay. Much better. Alright, let's see you go face down.
Of course.
I know, right? That don't always happen that way. Alright, let's see it here. Okay, that was good. That is quite interesting to think about. Oh, there. Oh, I see it. You're actually not too bad. I mean, your shoulders are always a problem,
Right.
but your upper back's not bad. You do feel a little restricted through the spine, but like as far as your muscles, they relax a lot.
Okay.
Because we end up not going.
Well, first of all, anytime it's raining, I'm not.
Yes. We don't do the rain. We don't do lines, even if it's not raining.
Right.
But we definitely don't do the raining lines. So we just went to dinner. Good. Yeah, dinner was a good time. We went to this place called it was called 42.
Okay.
Let me see, kick towards the sky. Let me see here. I think it's a. Let's see you lay your side, this side up. Yeah, I just realized one of my friends lives like right across the street, and I didn't realize it's
Oh,
there.
really? Yeah. Like, every time people say it, I'm like, I didn't realize. I'm like, okay, I know where you are.
I still ain't fully been inside now though, because we were in the line before we decided to leave.
Yeah, I mean, they really needed it.
I saw So You Think You Can Dance auditions was in there.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Deep breath. Yeah, blow it out. Again.
Sorry.
Yeah. Good. Good job. Deep breath. Blow it out. Good.
Sorry.
No,
My hair,
you're fine. Your hair is fine. I know how to work with hair. Let me see you look straight up. Good. Okay, that's just it. That's tight. Good. Good. Dun, dun. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Deep breath. And out. Yeah, they canceled the Magic City game.
Girl, yeah. Like, the game's still happening, so.
Yeah, I mean, well, I guess it's not the game, but the promotion.
And, like, you're doing everything. You're still having TI perform. You're still selling leads.
Yeah, just not selling the hoodie.
Yeah. And I pre-ordered my hoodie, so.
Yeah, like everybody who pre-ordered, I got to know that some other clients. I don't know if it's outside or inside.
What?
Music. Yeah, but the rooms, the studio rooms are supposed to be soundproof. They just be leaving the doors open.
Yeah.
That feels pretty good there. I'm not checking it out. Deep breath. Blow it out. Deep breath. Yeah. Good. Still feels like it's one at the very top on this side.
It's one up.
That's when you feel. Okay. We're gonna sit you up for that one.
Okay.
Let's see. Looks a little better. Let's see if I can get this side. I'll probably show it again. There we go. Good.
Yeah.
Awesome sounds. Alright. Let's recheck these shoulders. It's still pretty good. It's like you gotta stretch.
Mm-hmm.
Stretch your chest out. Now let me see if I can put the massage gun. Let's see how much. Yeah. Stretching makes such a big difference.
Yep.
Rolling that out. Let's see this side.
Bring them back.
Yeah, let's see the clavicles.
They're probably like, we need help.
Look the opposite way. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, much better. Great. Let me see you scoot back. Hands behind your head and move on your fingers. Good. Bring your elbows in some. Look up. Awesome sauce.
Thank
I'm finished.
you. Oh.
Walk back and forth.